Hello, this is Daisy from the Woodcrest Library, and in this video we will be making a circus elephant mask. The following craft kit will be available at the Woodcrest Library for pickup. And you will need the following items at home. You'll need a pair of safety scissors, a glue stick, some tape, and some crayons and colored pencils, and a hole puncher. The first thing you want to do with this craft is go ahead and color your elephant and your elephant's headpiece and cut it out. Alrighty, now that you have your elephant and your elephant's headpiece cut out, we're going to go ahead and glue on his headpiece. We're going to flip this around and we're going to go ahead and cut off the excess. And now let's go ahead and cut out the elephant's eyes. We're going to go ahead and take our hole puncher and hole punch on the two ends of the elephant. We're going to go ahead and take our yarn and just tie one end of the elephant down. And the second piece of yarn, we're going to go ahead and tie it where we hole punched our hole so we can tie our mask on. Now we're going to go ahead and take a piece of tape and roll it up. You can also use glue, but it works a lot better if you use tape. And we're going to go ahead and put some tape down here where the elephant's trunk is, and I'm going to go ahead and put his juggling ball on there. And that's our circus elephant mask. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!